Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from the ActiveCampaign CRM system to Wrike. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaign to other systems. For example, in Wrike, to create new tasks, each time a new deal is added to ActiveCampaign, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the ActiveCampaign data source system. Then you need to select an action Get New Deals. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your ActiveCampaign account. Next, go to the Settings section. Next, go to the Developer section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your ActiveCampaign deal. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setting of the ActiveCampaign data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Wrike as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Create Task. At this point, you need to connect your Wrike account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give ApiX-Drive permission to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from ActiveCampaign that will be passed to Wrike. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Wrike when a new deal is created. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Wrike. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update.
Select the communication interval, for example once every 5 minutes.
That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.